Lead generation doesn't have to be hard. Do you know anything about the topic of lead generation? Do you need a quick primer to find out all you can? This video has all of the tips and tricks you need today. As soon as you get started watching it, you will also be preparing yourself for future success. Perfect the art of a good call to action, in order to generate more leads for your business. A good call to action is highly specific, very relevant to the particular readers, and always links to a landing page where the offer can be found for purchase or download. Make your CTA count for more valuable leads. Try a fax campaign to increase your lead generation. Fax may seem very 1980s in terms of business communication, but most companies still rely on these machines. So many people have ignored the fax machine in the 21st century. But that only means that you have less clutter to battle. Your message will be more likely to hit. Don't fall victim to the belief that generating leads requires a big budget, because it doesn't. Talking to people over the internet is very economical, and you can be very effective if you know how to do it. Target your audience precisely, perfect the call to action, and make it as easy as possible for people to plug into your offer. See if you can sponsor local events in any way. Maybe you can buy uniforms for a Little League team, or have a banner at a church garage sale. If so, be sure to show up at the event yourself so you can shake hands and get face time with potential leads. Find some way to rate your potential leads. Not all leads are created equal, so before you start generating them, know how you'll grade them. Otherwise, you can find yourself overloaded with potential leads with no way to decipher which ones are worth your time. It's a critical step to help you be efficient. Check out events in your area and see if there's a way you can use them to generate leads. For example, if there is a cycling race, buy a sponsorship package. Then you can get yourself on TV talking about it, or in the paper, or just talk to people who are there to watch. Door knocking is always an option, so don't rule it out. This can even be true if your business is B2B. Visit businesses and ask them about who they're currently using for whatever it is you're selling, then let them know why you're the better option. Leave some materials behind and move on to the next location. Know your target market. When you understand the specific group that most needs the products or services you offer, you will be able to reach them more efficiently. For example, if you are trying to reach elderly customers, you have a better chance of generating leads if you avoid a skateboard shop. With so many great tips available to you, all you can do now is put them to use. Take your time as you craft your strategies so that your leads will begin to generate. The sooner they do, the sooner you'll see your profits increase and your business begin to boom. Student loan.